Assembly instruction, cruiser. Tools needed. Screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1. Double open-end wrench. Allen wrench. Step 1. Unpack the bike. Pull the fermined all parts, charger, toolkit, mantle, keys, fuse, pedals out of cardboard box. Step 2. Install the front wheel. While keeping the lever open, lift the front of the bike and lower the fork onto the wheel axle. Then put the rubber sleeve over the nut for protection. Step 3. Install the handlebar. Loosen the bolt on the top of the steer stem with the tool. Remove the stem bolt and washer and set aside. Align the stem so the handlebar is perpendicular to the front wheel. Then you need to tighten the bolt in the top of the steer stemens more. This ensures balance. Tighten the screws as shown in the video. Step 4. Adjust the front brake system. Tighten the screws to make sure the tire is vertical. This is what it looks like when adjusted vertically. Tighten the screws to complete this step. Step 5. Install the headlights. Unscrew the front screws, as seen in the video. Unscrew the front wheel position, as shown in the video. Fix this. Follow the steps in the video too. Install the front lights and fenders. Secure the front fender. Adjust the headlights to the proper height and tighten the screws. Attach the front fender to the front wheel as shown in the video. Step 6. Install the seat. Assemble it like the video. Step 7. Install the pedals. Identify the right and left pedal with this two letter. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. Step 8. Charge the battery. Connect the cable. That's finish it. Let's have a look. Register warranty card with us ASAP. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for return if needed.